ಸಲಹಾ ಸಮಿತಿಯ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಸದಸ್ಯರುಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯಗಳನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಭೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾಗಿ ಮೂರು ನಿರ್ಣಯಗಳನ್ನು ಸಭೆಯ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಂಡಿಸಿತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಷನ್ ನಿರ್ಣಯವನ್ನು ಮಂಡಿಸಿದೆ. ಸಭೆಯ ಸರ್ವಾನುಮತದಿಂದ ಆ ನಿರ್ಣಯವನ್ನು ಅಂಗೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿತು. ಸಭೆ ಸರ್ವಾನುಮತದಿಂದ ನಿರ್ಣಯ ಮಾಡಿತು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿರ್ಣಯವನ್ನ ಬೆಂಬಲಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವೇನ್ರಿ? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ನೋಡಿ,
ನಾನು ಮಂಡಿಸಿದಂತ ನಿರ್ಣಯವನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಓದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ದಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಷನ್, the Advisory Council of the OBC Department of AICC unanimously thank Nyaya Yodha Rahul Gandhi ji for courageously taking up the cause of social justice for the marginalized sections of the society in our country and for having stood up for the cause of the backward classes in particular. Rahulji's steely resolve forced the Manumadi Modi government to surrender to the just and constitutional demand for the caste census in India. On behalf of all the backward classes of India, the Council conveys its heartfelt appreciation and credits Rahulji's contribution for this historic achievement. We remind ourselves that although this is a milestone, it is at the same time a small step in ensuring social justice as envisaged in our Constitution. Under the brave and unflinching leadership of our Nyaya Yodha Rahul Gandhi ji, India is destined to realize and achieve the ultimate constitutional objective of social transformation, leading to an egalitarian and equal society in our great nation. We hereby resolve and take a oath to continue to fight for justice for all, holding aloft in our hands the Congress Party flag led by the brave and courageous leadership of our Nyaya Yodha Rahul Gandhi ji. We hereby pass a resolution for an intense and fierce nationwide national campaign for number 1, national level caste census by the Census Commission of India, officially known as the Office of the Registrar General, and And Census Commissioner, India. The census must include social, economic, educational, employment, political aspects of each individual and keeping at the forefront the Telangana State Chief Caste Survey as a role model. Second, the breaking of the 50% cap bearing for the OBCs in education, service, political and other areas. Third, reservation in private educational institutions as per Article 15 Class 4. Article 15 Class 4 of the Indian Constitution. Any other point may be suggested by the delegates. This is the first resolution passed by the Council unanimously. The second resolution is moved by our Anil Jai Hind.
Ashok Gehlot actually moved it. Ashok Gehlot.
ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಧ್ವನಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.